Is your iPad stuck on the Apple logo after updating to iPadOS 18 or 26? Don't worry, it's often a software glitch, not hardware damage. Today, I'll guide you through 3 effective methods to fix it safely. Method 1. Force restart, quick and no computer. Let's try the fastest fix. For iPads without a home button, press volume up and release quickly. Press volume down and release quickly. Press and hold the top power button until the Apple logo appears. For iPads with a home button, hold home and top buttons until the Apple logo shows up. If your iPad boots normally, great. If not, we'll use Apple's official iTunes repair next. Method 2. Use iTunes, update first, restore if needed. Connect your iPad to the computer with a USB cable. Enter recovery mode by pressing volume up, volume down, hold top button until recovery screen appears. When iTunes detects the iPad in recovery mode, choose update to reinstall iPadOS without erasing data. If update fails, choose restore, which erases the device and reinstalls iPadOS. If the process takes longer than 15 minutes and the iPad exits recovery mode, repeat the recovery mode steps and try again. If iTunes can't fix it, let's try a powerful third-party repair tool, ReiBoot. Method 3. Use ReiBoot standard repair. Enter recovery mode plus repair without data loss. ReiBoot by tenorshare is a professional iOS repair tool supporting iPadOS 18/26. It can repair many system issues safely, often without erasing your data. Download and install ReiBoot from tenorshare's official website on your PC or Mac. Connect your iPad with a USB cable. ReiBoot will detect your stuck device. Click Enter Recovery Mode and wait for the iPad to show the recovery screen. Select Standard Repair in ReiBoot. This will download the correct firmware for your iPad without wiping data. Click Start Standard Repair and wait 5-10 minutes while ReiBoot fixes the system and reboots your iPad. Once done, your iPad should boot normally with all data intact. To recap, try Force Restart first, then use iTunes Update/Restore if needed. Finally, ReiBoot Standard Repair offers a safe, user-friendly fix without data loss. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below with which method worked for you, or if you want a full ReiBoot tutorial video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.